Namaskar. India is passing through second wave of corona pandemic. Almost all major cities are recording highest single day cases. So, this is the time we need to take precautions and stay healthy. Despite taking all measures, if you find infected, don't worry. Your body can easily fight virus if you take a right type of food and do right exercise. If you are COVID positive, then you should take certain food to boost your immunity and overcome the weakness. Number 1, morning drink. First in the morning, person should take a glass of lemon juice water, add into that little haldi, little chia seeds and pinch of cinnamon. Drink this warm lemon juice water and feel fresh and energetic. Haldi and cinnamon are antiviral in nature. Lemon juice is known to boost immunity. So this combination could become an excellent drink to be taken in the morning to start your day freshly. One thing more, a tablespoonful of honey and few drops of ginger could be consumed in a day anytime. This combination has excellent antiviral property. Ginger has gingerol and shojel. Both are anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. That's the reason person must take a tablespoonful of honey and few drops of ginger. Second, morning breakfast. Breakfast is a must and person should have proper breakfast where you can have poha, upma, idli, dosas and such things, even like chapati or varieties of chapatis. In the morning, a spoon of ghee also should be used either in any of these dishes which you eat or separately, but a spoon of ghee. Ghee gives you a very good gut health. Once you consume ghee, you will notice that gases would not be formed and even acidity would not be there. Food would be digested very easily. Due to this infection, the digestive system becomes very poor. People have nausea and vomiting and people feel quite uneasy in stomach. Here, when you take this mixture and ghee added to it, you will feel very comfortable. Digestion would be very strong. Most important in breakfast, you must have some liquid and so a herbal tea. Boil water with ginger. Ginger is a must. Boil water with ginger, lemongrass. You can put pudina leaves, mint leaves. You can put tulsi leaves also and boil it well. Strain it and add little milk, add jaggery and take this liquid. This would be a very healthy liquid to be taken. Now let's understand what to take at lunch. At lunchtime, whatever you are used to, eat it. Only it should be a very easily digestible vegetarian food. It could be dal rice, it could be chapati and vegetable, but see to it that in vegetable you have green leafy vegetable also, and that too spinach as far as possible. And have a glass of buttermilk also along with all these things. Spinach has nitrates which produces nitric oxide. This nitric oxide has anti-inflammatory property and this stops virus from spreading in the body. Even pomegranate juice, beetroot juice and pineapple juice, they all have nitrates. So consume them as a juice any time in a day. So now let's see what to eat during evening as an evening snack. Dates, nuts, seeds must go in your system. And this is the time you can munch something which you feel very light and nice. So you can have puffed rice, you can have popcorns, you can have sukha bhel sort of a stuff, you can have a handful of gram chana, you can have groundnuts boiled with salted water, cooked well and eaten at this time. These foods could be an excellent evening snack. Only you have to consume very little. And finally, dinner. Dinner should be lightest among the whole day's routine. It could be curry, khichdi, or it could be a very very thin dal as a soup, or any other soups, mixed vegetable soup, sweet corn soups, or any such soups you could take with khakra, crisp chapati, or little bhakri, or little soft chapati, and see that you have proper dinner. Before going to bed, when you are about to go to bed, take a little cup of milk with turmeric, haldi. Preferably it should be warm milk. In Ayurveda, it's mentioned that turmeric milk is ojas in nature. It gives you a good amount of energy. It makes you feel relaxed, and so person should take that at night. Such simple milk with turmeric really helps in a better sleep. And if you sleep well, all your hormones in your body are going to help you to come up to the level where immunity goes high and where the infection is handled very easily. Foods like lemon juice, beet, honey, dates, they are all alkaline in nature. So eat them definitely and see that you don't get acidic in your system. What makes your food acidic? You should know that chili, garam masala, fried food, packeted food, all these are such food which would make your system acidic. Don't use any of these things. Be careful that your body must have more alkaline liquids. And so every 2 hours, you should eat something out of what alkaline I have mentioned. Some juice, dates, take honey and ginger. Go on taking little every 2 hours and see to it that your system is more alkaline. So follow this right kind of food, right type of exercises, and what type of exercises you should do and how to do. I have mentioned this earlier. You will find the link below. Follow that and understand what makes system more acidic, what makes system which would be harming you is your state of mind. If mind has tension, anxiety, fear, that is going to bring nothing else but acidic tendency in your body. So avoid that. Start laughing, enjoy things around you, think good, think positive, and everything would be fine. You always attract those things which you think. Your emotions attract same type of emotions. So have a very positive state of mind, bring joy, crack jokes, laugh and giggle, and that would make everything beautiful. So enjoy life. With infection, without infection, doesn't make any difference because you can handle all these things very well. Take care. Namaskar.